So today's lesson, we're looking about sort of recapping our knowledge on material, but we're sort of focusing it on materials that were perhaps not around in the past, or that we used more in the past in comparison to now. So let's have a think about which materials would have been around during this time when the Great Fire of London was happening. So you need to think about, well, was wood around? Was metal around? Was paper around? Was plastic around? And if you can, try and think of something that this material would have been used for during that time. So this would be the example. Did they have wood? So you'd say yes or no. And if so, what things were they made? What things were made from wood? So try and think of things that they would have made with wood at this time.